Hi everyone, my name is Arvinder and I'm a doctorate student at KTH Royal Institute of Technology, Stockholm, Sweden. Today we will discuss our paper FuncGNN, a graph neural network approach to program similarity. This paper was co-authored by Karl Meinke and Avijit Roy, who are employed at the Theoretical Computer Science Department at KTH. Here is the agenda for today's talk. Finding similarity between two objects plays an important role for many computationally tasks like recommendation system. One such area where similarity plays an important role is software engineering. Program similarity is an effective solution of multiple software engineering tasks like software plagiarism, clone refactoring, clone detection, and code search. Program similarity mainly consists of quantitatively analyzing how one program is similar to another. This is a difficult task as a minor change in code can drastically change its logic, making it structurally similar but semantically different. One of the effective ways to analyze programs is via converting them into graphs. The common graph methods for analyzing programs include abstract syntax tree and control flow graphs. Thus, the problem of program similarity can be analyzed by mapping them as a graph similarity problem. One of the common approaches for graph similarity is the graph edit distance or GED. It is analogous to the edit distance approach used in string comparison or string matching. GED is the minimum amount of operations required to convert one graph into another. GED is NP-hard in nature and is computationally expensive. The research shows that it is difficult to compute similarity score between graph pairs of more than 60 nodes within reasonable time. We approach this problem of program similarity by analyzing the programs as control flow graphs. A control flow graph is a directed cyclic graph where each node represents an atomic statement in the program and the edges represent the execution order. Control flow graphs thus preserves the logic, structure, and semantics of a program, thus making it suitable candidate for analyzing programs. These labeled control flow graphs are passed to graph neural network. Graph neural network is a graph-based deep learning architecture where each node and the edges are provided an unique embedding based on its label. During the training phase, these nodes pass messages to each other to update their embeddings. The embeddings, after updation, can be aggregated together to calculate the overall embedding of the entire graph. We will now go through the architecture of a paper FuncGNN. We take two programs Pi and Pj and the task is to identify their similarity. First, we construct their label control flow graphs and each node in the graph is provided an unique label in a one-hot embedding format. These embeddings are passed through the GraphSage algorithm, which is a graph neural network using a sampling and aggregation method. The end result is the updated versions of the node embeddings, which can be used to calculate the overall graph embedding. To calculate the graph embedding, we use an attention mechanism. The attention mechanism uses a weighted scheme to give more importance to structurally important nodes or statements in the program. We pass the overall graph embeddings to two similarity approaches to find out the overall graph similarity. The first approach is the top-down approach. In the top-down approach, we calculate the similarity between the two graph embeddings using a neural tensor network. The second approach is the bottom-up approach. In the bottom-up approach, we find the similarity of the atomic nodes in the graph. The probability distribution function of the similarity is calculated using an histogram. Both the similarity measures are concatenated together and pass through multiple fully connected deep learning layers. Using these layers, the final similarity score is calculated. The dataset used for our research consists of 225 unit Java functions and 50,625 program pairs. The entire dataset is split into a 80:20 ratio of training and testing. As we mentioned earlier, identifying or calculating graph edit distance is a computationally extensive task. To solve this, we use an approximation method called as QAP. QAP stands for Quadratic Assignment Problem. Using this approximation methods, we identify the graph edit distance of the entire dataset, and here are their distribution. We evaluate the proposed Fung-GNN model with the help of two metrics, mean square error and total time taken. We compare Fung-GNN with traditional graph approaches and other graph neural networks. Since QAP, or the quadratic assignment problem, was kept as the reference, the error in that observed is kept 0. As we can see, FuncGNN achieves very nice approximations to the base method compared to the other methodologies. The second metric is the time taken to predict the similarity between the programs in the data set. As we can see, graph neural network approaches take considerably less amount of time to compare to the traditional methodologies. To understand in detail the predictive capability of the proposed model, we perform three case studies. The case studies consist of programs having high similarity, low similarity, and high error rate. The case study shows that FuncGNN is capable of estimating program similarity among program pairs with very low error rate. To summarize our result, we propose FuncGNN, a graph neural network approach to program similarity. The similarity metric used here is the graph edit distance GED. The graph embeddings produced by FuncGNN are inductive in nature, that is, it is able to generalize to unseen nodes or programs. The embeddings are also learnable in nature and can learn new metrics similar to graph edit distance. The results shows that FuncGNN is capable of predicting program similarity with extremely low error rate, and it is faster and scalable than the other traditional graph methodologies. We intend to extend our work by analyzing programs beyond unit functions. We also plan to provide support for other languages like C and C++. In the future, we also plan to apply FuncGNN on large industrial repositories for software engineering tasks like clone refactoring and code plagiarism. Thank you for listening to our talk, and for more information or any queries, feel free to contact us using this information. Thank you.